This is a story about a baby nestled safely in a mighty tree, rocking gently to and fro, in harmony with nature's flow. I hope you like it.
In the embrace of a mighty tree, a baby is so sweet and free, cradled by branches strong and green, a sight of peace, a tranquil sea. The wind, a whisper from above, sings a lullaby of pure love, rocking gently to and fro, in harmony with nature's flow. The tree, a symbol of life's grace, offers shelter, a sacred space. Its roots anchored deep and true remind us of the strength in you. As the baby dreams and grows, the universe its love bestows. Each breath, a gift from the divine, a promise that all will be fine. For in this world of ebb and flow, the tree of life will always grow, nurturing, protecting, come what may, guiding us through each passing day. So rest, sweet child, in nature's arms, secure from fear and all alarms. Know that you are forever blessed by the love that never ends.